Hi guys, this is Keerthi. I have recently completed my project internship at Abhyaz.
Hello everyone, my name is Varunesh. I'm from Telangana. I recently completed my 3 months internship at Abhyaz, where I worked as a cloud DevOps Engineer intern.
During this internship, I got a valuable hands-on experience on using finance tools like Zoho Books, Zoho Payroll, Zakia, and Zoho Inventory. During this internship, I have worked on real-time projects like billing and shipment configuration, setting up quality and value adjustment templates, preparing recurring invoices reports, and setting up salary components like deductions, variable pay, and bonus configuration, and also creating loans in the loans module. The best part of my internship journey was attending sprint meetings and having peer-to-peer grading. This encouraged me to work collaboratively with the team and increased my teamwork capabilities and also my communication skills.
During my time here, I got really a hands-on experience with the Zoho tools, and as a part of the cloud and DevOps team, key responsibilities include working with Zoho tools, where my role involves creating automation, workflow rules, and custom functions by using the Zoho tools like Zoho Days, Zoho Books, Inventory, and also worked on automatically generation of invoice in the Zakia, and working closely and collaborating with my teammates and my mentor Jessica, who has been guiding me and my teammates excellently from the day one and being supportive to us and providing regular updates helped strengthen my communication and collaboration skills.
My overall journey was very insightful and collaborative. I encourage anyone to join this platform and gain practical exposure to the financial processes.
I'm sincerely thankful to the entire Abhyaz team and my mentor for their support and guidance throughout the internship. Their constructive feedback helped me define my work and grow with confidence. To future interns, Abhyaz is a great platform to gain hands-on experience and learning new tools. Stay curious, make use of it, and don't hesitate to take initiative. Thank you.